Today we're going to talk about host pool auto shrink within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise console. We recently introduced host pool auto grow for dedicated host pools, and host pool auto shrink is a natural extension of this that allows administrators to automatically reclaim unused desktops after a specified period of time. The auto shrink menu can be configured from the auto scale menu, where as well as the previous auto grow option, we now have an auto shrink option. We can specify an amount of days to begin the deletion process if a user has not logged in that specified period. We can specify a length of time for the pending deletion state. We can exclude specific users or groups from auto shrink if, for example, we have important users who don't log on regularly and we're fully aware of that, or if we have senior individuals who would potentially be caused significant problems by removing their desktop. We can also notify users about deletion prior to the deletion occurring so that they have the opportunity to log into their desktop, which will reset the deletion process. This tool can be very useful in managing costs within a Azure Virtual Desktop environment by preventing desktops which aren't required from starting and consuming resources and therefore costs. I hope this video has been useful, and we hope to see you again.